Morning everyone. It's your math class unit number 3 decimal. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 2, convert decimal into rational number. The first part 0.004 convert into rational number. Question is given in decimal form, convert into rational number. After decimal, just check the number. Total 1 2 3 3 digits are given, so we write like this: 0.004 upon, remove decimal, replacement of decimal we put 1. After decimal we have 3 digits, so we put 30, 1 2 3. Okay, after decimal 1 2 3 digit, so we put 30. So in the next step we write like this: 4 upon 1000. Okay, now we reduce it. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 20 as it is copy. Okay, 2 upon 500, further we reduce it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 is left. Next number become 10, 2 5s are 10, 0. Okay, so answer 1 upon 250. 1 upon 250, answer of first part. Applying sign. When we use 2 or more than 2 step in one line, so we use applying sign. Okay, 1 upon 250 would be the answer of first part. Second part, minus 5.04. Okay, before decimal 5 is given, so before decimal it's called whole number. Minus 5 whole number, 4.04, remove decimal, replacement of decimal put 1. After decimal 2 digit, 0 and 4, so we write 20. Okay, before decimal 5 or any number if we have before decimal, so we write in whole number place. Minus sign as it is copy. Now 4 upon 100, reduce it. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 upon 50, further reduce it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 5s are 10. Okay, whole number as it is copy down. So final answer minus 5 whole number 1 upon 25 would be the answer of second part, or it's up to you. As it is copy down minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Second part done. Third part, minus 75.14. So minus 75 we write in whole number place. Before decimal it's whole number. Okay, then minus 14. Okay, after decimal read single digit 14. Okay, remove decimal, replacement of decimal we put 1. After decimal count the digit 1 to 2 digits, so we put 20. Okay, next step, minus 75 whole number, 14 upon 100, reduce it. 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 0 as it is copied down. Okay, so answer minus 75 whole number, 7 upon 50. Correct. Third part C1 done. Part D 0.007. Okay, now after solution copy question, again copy it, remove decimal 1. After decimal 3 digits, so put 0.30. Okay, even and odd number, 7 is odd number and 0 even number, or this part can't reduce by 2 or this one reduce by 2. So answer 7 upon 1000. Finish D part. Part E, for 43.222. After decimal 3 digit. So remove decimal 1. After decimal 3 digits. So we put 3 0. Okay. Now 43 whole number as it is copy. 222 after remove the decimal upon 1000. Now reduce it. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 0. Okay, 500. Answer of last part, this one we write over here. 43 whole number 1111 upon 500 would be the answer of part E. Decimal convert into rational number. Exercise 3A, question number 2. Finish all parts.